Ladies and gents, this is my fourth book on the Mega Art series, and fourth and final book on my Mega Art series. I had book 1, 2, and 3. This is the fourth one. So check it out. Go to my website, phelpspublications.com, to obtain the last book of the Mega Art Book series. Let's just glance through it. Let's just glance through it for a quick minute. This is what you receive here. See, can you see it? Okay. Okay, you see that's book 3 right there. This is book 4. Table of contents. Additional characters you will learn to draw here. This is just a sample of what you will receive and what you will see in Mega Art book 4. Ooh, boy. Bag boy. Dino, the dinosaur. Quachuvo man. Like I said, go to our website, phelpspublications.com. You'll see a whole lot more books there. Also, Tornado Kid. Many more books to see there. But I'm just showing you, giving you a review through book 4, Mega Art book 4. Mr. Clark. Simple, easy drawings for you. Giant panda bear. Olivia. 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 Raylan. Poochie. Okay, we're getting to the end of the book. Go to my website, phelpspublications.com. Susie. Skip the page. Nope. Getting hard to turn the page, yo. Go Susie. Delightful Duel. Almost the end of the book. Delightful Duel. Oh, Vein Brain. Check him out. Straight from the Twilight Zone, out of limits somewhere. Vein Brain. You also receive some panel pages that you can draw to create your own characters. Also, you can make prints of these pages. Some panel pages I added to the book. So, and that's it. So you just go to phelpspublications.com and you'll see many more books there. And hey, y'all have a great year. Appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edna-Reco Network, after this video.